In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to manipulate your text in Canva to create that beautiful outline for your t-shirt or any other material you might want to print it on. So to get started, we need to get to Canva app. We'll be using Type Gradient. Yes, Type Gradient, this one here. You can find it in the apps. Once you click on app, you type Gradient and you find it there. So that's what we'll be using for this particular project. I'll paste my text here. Oh, I need to delete this default text. I'll push this down because I want it in two different lines. I want the alignment to be centered. Then I'll change the font. The font I want to use for this is Bear. Yeah, this is it. Berkshire Swash. Select it. Then go down or go back rather. Now we can change the color or we can leave the default color, but I need something different. So something close to orange. This one here should be maybe yellow or close to yellow. Now let's see what our text looks like. We can adjust the gradient just the way we want it. And when we are satisfied, you just add to design. So this is our text. Can now increase the size of this. I want a second text, but this time I won't be using gradient. I'll be using a text template. So let me go to text. Click on text. I'll be using this template, Stay Fearless. Select it. On group. I just need one text, one line of the sorry, I just need one line of the text. So I'll just type in my text. And resize it. Place it at the center. Let's change the background of this text to black. And then I'll change this text to white. So this is our first test. Let's do for the second one. The second test will be working with another app in Canva called Typecraft. Typecraft. So I'm just going to go ahead to paste my text here. Rise above. I'll remove the second part of this text because I want it in a separate line. For the font, let's change the font to this Techno Twist. That's the font we'll be using. And this is it. Let's now edit the shape. You can just play around with this until you're okay with the shape you want. So this is my shape. I don't want to give it an outline, so I'll just leave it at this. What I need here is to change the color. I want the color in orange color. Something like this. And then add element to design. Now I can duplicate this so I can paste the second text. Shine bright. I'll change the text to the color to white. Update element. So this is our test. The next thing we will do is to download it and then create the mockup. So here in Canva mockup, let's go with apparel because we'll be printing this in a shirt. Let's pick this. Go for flat lay t-shirt. Select any one of the t-shirts and select so you can pick your image. Let's start with this, rise above. Select it. Now let's change the color of the shirt so we can see our, our text. Remember we have one in white background, in white color, so now this is it. We can now adjust this, take it up or adjust to how you want it. Click on save. So this is how to do your mockup in Canva.